Hello guys, welcome to the best online tutorials channel. In this video we'll show you how to reinstall imaging devices in Windows 11 after an update. So if you guys did not know, Windows is actually notorious, especially the Windows 11 is notorious for breaking things after the update. So if you're having any issues with your webcam devices and other devices that are considered and categorized under the imaging ones, you can actually do some specific steps to easily fix this. So firstly, let us right-click on our Start menu and navigate to our device manager. Okay, so this window will appear, showing you all the devices that you now have installed physically in your computer. So what we're looking to do is just go and drop down this cameras one, this menu. Then as you can see, I have one USB webcam installed. You will have two, and then just right-click and then choose Uninstall Device. So while we're doing this, sometimes Windows is just bugging out. It's either configuring the device improperly, or is just messing up the driver. And pretty much if you uninstall it and then reinstall the device, right, it will actually fix most issues. So what you need to do, you uninstall this device, then unplug your web camera from your USB port on your computer, and then plug it back in. And what will happen, your USB drivers and your software for your USB camera will get reinstalled, fixing a bunch of issues. And the other thing you want to do, you right click and then press on Scan for hardware changes. So this will, as you can see, scan all of your devices, and if there are any problems, it will troubleshoot them, and you will see if there are any errors next to your webcam. And then, of course, to make sure that it works, you can, for example, launch OBS like me, right? Add your web camera here. As you can see, I have a webcam here. Just enable it and see if it works. Should work just fine. That's it for this video, guys. Enjoy, like and subscribe, and see you next time.